now 7:16, and I'm joined on the line by the man, the myth, the legend, Mark of the Beast, a.k.a. Cecil Breeze. How you doing, Cecil?
Kellen, I thought you said 7:15.
What's that?
Now it's 7:16. I'm keeping track of this because you promised me a time, and then it's always a minute, 2 minutes later, Kellen. I don't have all day.
Oh, I don't have all day either, Cecil. So what's the information that you wanted to
Kellen,
get
I
out
want to
this
talk
morning?
To you. Things aren't going too well.
And why is that?
Well, last night we all went out to a Samurai Swingers event at Chili's.
Okay.
And we ran into Duende.
How's she doing?
Kellen, not so good. We ran into Duende. Now, Duende is Crazy Dingo. That's his spouse. We still have yet to renew our wedding vows.
Oh, so everyone's still unmarried then?
Well, no, Kellen, we're still together, but we're just trying to renew our vows. We get our sofa status back. Okay, so we're not married, but it's a long story, a long, sad story. But, Kellen, I had it on good authority, and I couldn't really bring myself to tell Dingo this until last night, that Duende is using St. John's wort. And
Okay.
Kellen, is a dangerous herbal supplement. Now, she had a bit too much of it. And we saw her from a distance, and she fell over and collapsed. And we rushed to her aid. We couldn't stand by and watch any longer.
But it's a herbal substance.
But Kellen, I'm not finished.
It's like taking too many vitamins.
Kellen, you can overdose on a lot. You can use too much. So we went to go pick her up. She was collapsing, and she yelled out to Chili's, "Help get these losers away from me." Now, Kellen, we are tracking who these losers might be, who might be giving her St. John's wort. We are tracking this so hard, we're going to find out. She's with some guy now named Raoul von Heidelberg. That's the loser that she was with last night having dinner.
Cecil, she said losers, plural. And you and Dingo were there, so I'm pretty sure the loser she's talking about is you.
Kellen, stop. That's a lot of funny talk, Kellen.
No.
She's with Raoul van Heidelberg and others. She's dating probably other people as well. I don't know, Kellen. I just have it on good authority about some of these things. But Raoul van Heidelberg were coming for him and his posse of people.
Well,
every night at his house, it's a
Cecil,
big soiree.
Cecil, think about it. If she ran off with him, the losers she wanted to get away from was you guys.
Kevin, that's not. No, I won't even.
Team Breeze.
I'm not going to acknowledge that comment because we are going to track down Raoul van Heidelberg, that German-Spanish hybrid loser, and we're going to give him a piece of our mind.
Okay. Well, good luck with that. Good luck with that. How's Dingo doing with all
Kevin,
this?
He's not good. In fact, he'd like to give a message out to Duende.
All right, put him on.
Okay. Dingo, we're ready for you.
Okay. Thanks. All right. Chill. I'll be good. Kelly, good morning.
Hey, how you doing, Dingo?
Hey, man, not too good.
I know it's kind of tough, man. What are your thoughts or your feelings on this at this time? I mean,
we really want to track down who these guys are. I know Raoul von Heidelberg. I mean, I know of him, and he's taking my sweet baby Duende out for dinners, and sort of romancing the Duende. And Kellen, I don't want that anymore, and I'm trying to get sweet baby Duende back.
Well, I mean, how are you going to do that? I mean, obviously
Kellen,
she's fed up with you.
I just want to use this airtime I have to really. I don't want to talk about working out. I don't want to talk about Freaky Fridays and the stuff we have going on, all the great things that Team Breeze does for this base. I want to take a second, just pause.
The great things you do.
And say, Kellen, I mean, you can't argue. We are pillars of the community here in many regards. But
yes.
I want to just pause and say, sweet baby Duende, I love you so much. Please come home. I promise to stop leaving wet towels on the floor. I'll stop watching, Roger Rabbit and Willow every weekend. In fact, I'm really getting it together, Duende. I'm joining a Christian rock band.
See, Dingo.
What?
Is this for real? You're gonna quit
real.
watching.
I made those promises. I'm trying to get it together.
You're gonna quit watching Roger Rabbit and Willow, and you're gonna join a Christian rock band. You think that's gonna bring her back?
I'm gonna stop watching Roger Rabbit
and
Willow.
I said you're gonna quit watching those, and that's gonna bring her back. How's that going to bring her back? There's nothing.
Kellen, I'm taking steps here. I'm trying to make steps here.
Okay.
To get her back. Okay, just please, baby Duende, if you're listening right now, please just understand that I'm going to make those promises. I'm going to join a Christian rock band, get my life back together, and I'm going to be here for you, baby. Raoul van Heidelberg doesn't care about you.
Dingo, I think maybe you need to give Duende some time away and let her.
She's using the St. John's wort.
Yeah, it's an herbal substance. You got caught with Rhinotor, Robotor, whatever.
It's Rambotor, Kellen. I don't know anything about that. I wasn't using it. We were caught. Somebody put that in our car when we got pulled over. It was Rambotor and bull's milk. Okay, we got pulled over and somebody put it in the car. I guarantee you it was Pat Coleman or Rod Brad Fish
I
or Mark
doubt it.
Sullivan having a good time, and wow, we got busted for it. That held up our wedding vows. I'd be with Sweet Baby Dwendy if it wasn't for getting pulled over with that stuff.
So now it's Pat Coleman and them's fault.
Because we were pulling into the gate, we're on our way to do the wedding vows.
No,
at some point.
that's where I got to cut you off, because then you start getting off on these tangents about nothing, absolutely nothing. You're blaming them for your problems in your marriage. And you're already talking about you're leaving wet towels. You're watching Roger the Rabbit and Willow.
It's Who Framed Roger Rabbit, and I like those movies. I watch them a lot.
All
She's
right.
a nag
Hey,
about
Dingo, love you, brother. Love you guys, man. But I got to go. Got to get back to the music. 7:22. We're getting back into it.